Okay, folks, we all checked in. We have no luggage because we're doing carry-on. You've heard about Heathrow. Not good. So, all of our luggage is with us for 2 weeks. Let's see. So, we're over in the Delta Lounge, just kind of howling out, having some dinner. We got about a 3-hour wait before we even board. That's fun traveling. And by the way, you guys will be seeing parts of this video. There's a person who's behind the camera that's actually in front of the camera on some of this, depending on how we're doing it. So this is for basically the Saturday video up after the show, so you guys can see kind of the experience of getting to a show overseas and what it's like to be at the show. So enjoy. Like 11 o'clock at night, and way past my bedtime. We're on Eastern time. So we'll see you guys in the morning. It's gonna be 7 hours and 45 minutes later, and in the middle of getting ready to have lunch in the UK. So, Field of Dreams, we're on our way. See ya. Morning, guys. Yeah, it's morning. I have no idea what time zone we're in. I know we're somewhere over Scotland, England, Ireland, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, we got about an hour left to land. It's probably 10 a.m. local London time, which means it'll be about 4 a.m. our time. And I guess this will be fun. See what we do to go to the car shows. Next week, guys. Hey, it's Spook over here at Queens Fish and Chips, and we are in Queens Crossing, correct? What's the neighborhood?
The neighborhood is Kilburn Lane.
Kilburn Lane. So I got the owner here.
Hi.
Oh, really? Come on.
What do you want me to say?
Tell me about the company. How long have you been here? What are you doing?
We've been here. We're fairly new. We're just 3 months. 3 months in,
And you make a mean fish and chips.
Yes, it's traditional English fish and chips, and we're doing good so far. Everything is traditional here, from our food to our concepts, and so far so good.
Okay, so like, you guys got social media? They got a website?
Social media, yeah, we do.
Okay, so you need to promote that stuff.
I mean, we're on Google Business as Queens Fish and Chips, Queens Park. And then we have Instagram, which is Queens _W9, Queens _W9. Yeah, that's our Instagram page. And
you guys aren't doing YouTube yet?
No, we're not on YouTube.
Okay, these guys need to be fucking doing YouTube. I'm sitting there watching them cook, and it's like, I've got traditional fish and chips from a guy named Mo. Who's gonna figure that one? But from everything I can smell, his uncle was in here early getting some chips, and I actually stole the chips, and I really did apologize. I thought they were my chips. My bad, but you guys know who I am. So we're gonna give you like some bite-ins and go ahead and eat some of the shit, and we're gonna have some fun. See ya.
Let me get out of the way with my high-vis jacket on. It's not a good look.
this is the glamping tent she was talking about.
Oh yeah.
Bell tents.
Bell tents.
All right. Yeah, give me some water. Pay out the word to me. Why? That's to get some medicinal purposes.
Hey guys, a little backstage stuff. We're gonna be over here at Field of Dreams. It is Thursday. This is the beer tent, or it's actually the bar tent, dance floor. So I'm gonna show you some backstage stuff. So here these guys are setting up the stage for the band. Good bunch of blokes, know what they're doing. Over here we have a tiki bar. So hopefully we'll be able to do a little bit of filming from there. So this is all the stuff that they brought. So we'll talk with Kate a little bit later tonight and do a little bit of an interview, and we'll go from there. See you.
Hi. Hey, Spook.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I'm helping out here. So we're here the night before Field of Dreams, York 2022. It's going to be a great show. Everybody's doing setup. So Kate's doing her setup over there, the event organizer. I came down to see if I can be any help here because I don't have anything else to do other than just like look pretty, and there's not enough people for me to look pretty for.
Well,
And this face,
you're looking very tall and doing a tall person's
yes, I am
job.
doing a tall thing. So this had fell down earlier, so I'm just resupplying it, and kind of like if they need anything, I'm trying to help and coordinate and not get in anybody's way. So you see the guys over here at Tiki Bar are starting to do the setup. So if you guys ever wonder, like on a mobile event, what it actually takes to have a full-on bar and tap, this came in how many pieces, guys?
1,000,001.
1,000,001
And 3.
Ah!
Oh, 1,000,003. Yeah. And then there are like 2 trucks to bring it in.
We've got to go back 2 more. We've got that one over there as well. So we've got 6 journeys. We've got an ice cream van as well on the road.
Oh wow!
So if you guys, if you're not appreciating what these guys are doing to provide you drunkenness and alcohol and good tasting stuff at that, this is what they're going through in order to do this. So we'll come back later and they're going to show us our setup tomorrow, and we're going to get out of their hair because I'm sure I'm annoying the crap out of them. See ya.
Yeah, that's tomorrow and Saturday.
Hi there.
Hey, I'm Anthea and I'm with Glonin Limited. We're here with the 5 metre bell tent at Field of Dreams, which is a fantastic show. All the people here are fantastic. It's a 5 metre bell tent that attaches to your van, so it's also a drive away, so you can take it down. And it has a log burner in there for the really cold, chilly night, and it makes a difference. And it's fantastic. You can cook on there, real focal point, get all your friends in and have a beer. Come and visit the website at glonin.com.
This is beautiful. Hey, we're out here at Field of Dreams. Sorry, old man noise is getting back up. So this is just a absolutely wonderful package, and she's going to tell you a little bit about what they do, the company involved, and why they're out here in York. So most of this is traders coming in, some campers coming in early. This is actually one of the few right-hand side drive bay window buses I have seen here today. Why is that?
I don't know why it is.
I know, but most of them are left-hand drives.
Yeah?
There are
Oh, well.
a lot of U.S. imports.
There we
So
go.
you guys here for the weekend?
Yes, brilliant.
I'm brilliant.
Yeah.
I'm Spook. I'm one of the presenters, so you're gonna hear my mouth going over the thing. We're doing some video for YouTube. We'll cut out all the audio and stuff. This is just to kind of show stuff. So
Yeah.
have fun.
Right, thank you.
So mostly traders, but we do have some other people coming in. Some mirror ones. Okay, I'm not a water-cooled guy. This is a nice bus.
Thank you.
This is a nice bus. Where are you guys from?
Leeds.
Leeds?
Leeds.
So it took you about 20 minutes to come in?
No, about 45.
About 45 minutes? So
we
you
also own that old red one behind us as well.
Oh, did you tow it?
No, son's driving that one.
Oh, no, any breakdowns?
No, thank God.
Oh, well, it is a Volkswagen.
Yeah, we haven't got home yet, innit?
So, thank you much. Hey, I'm Spook. I'm going to be one of your hosts to this thing. I'm the crazy American from America. I get paid to be obnoxious.
Oh, that's
But
all right.
but if I ever say anything to offend you, please don't. Seriously, it's just this is what they trained me to do. And Dad said no breakdowns, right?
Yeah.
No breakdowns. Nah. Got the fire extinguisher? Okay. How far did you guys come from? Leeds. Okay.
We're all together.
Okay. I got Bob here.
Hi, Bob. Everybody say hi to Bob.
Hi, Bobby!
Bob, what are you drinking? Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee with liqueur.
Bailey's.
Ah,
You might have a bit of Bailey's.
Yeah, it's got
Just
just
a
to
bit.
it.
we
It's got a kick.
and we trim.
That much?
About a litre.
Okay, yeah. So we're good.
That's one full bottle in that.
Yeah. So, hey, what are you doing here?
We come here to enjoy ourselves and experience a great lifetime.
Oh, there's your eyes.
Yeah, there we go. To have a great life, you know,
Yeah.
brilliant, great people, great company, life's great.
Well, we're gonna have some fun. Are you gonna try to stump the Spook
I'm
tomorrow?
gonna stomp it, mate. I'm gonna
You're gonna
stomp
stump me on VWs.
And get a
Really?
shirt. You
I'll
get a
give it a
shirt.
stump me.
I'll give it a go.
There
You get a
you
free
go.
gift if you can stump me this weekend.
Really?
Yep.
What's my free gift?
Yeah, we either have T-shirts, we have books, we have like aluminum strip.
I'm gonna stomp it tomorrow.
There you
So
go.
he's gonna
Seriously,
stump Spook.
Yes, I'm gonna stomp it.
So this guy is like hanging out in the background, not drinking real beer.
No, thank you. I'm gonna
That's not real beer. That's not real beer.
All right, fellas, say goodbye.
Bye.
Hey, we're here the night before Field of Dreams 2022. This is vendor night, so they got the music going.
They got the tents going, we've got dogs going, we've got games going, and this is all a closed private event because tomorrow is the actual public show. I hope you guys are here. I know this video is going to be afterwards, but we're going to enjoy ourselves. See ya.